down a little more. Yeah. Ready? On your head. Shit's falling. Got it? Alright, let me see if I can untie this rope here quick. I can't quite reach it. I'll just get it out of the way here. I think you're probably getting pretty close where to put that rope. Got one on the back. I'd say right there is good for that bull rope. Yeah, but if you get too high though, we're not going to be able to, you know, if we can't pull it back over, I think you're going to, I don't know. Alright. I can untie that rope now. Alright. What's that on your rope up there? Is that branch stuck on your rope going up the pine? Go tight under your flip line. Alright, what we're gonna have to do then once you get ready to get that top out, because when I crank on that's going to take that tree that way, we'll put another rope in it down to like the pine tree there to the truck to keep it from swinging that way. You know what I mean? Well, I'm sure I am. I mean, that's pretty tight then. I think we're alright. Let me get another rope, and we'll put a second rope where you're at, down to that other tree. Just as a backup, in case it swings. And we're just, I think 150 feet will be long enough to go from there down to that tree or the truck. Should be. So do I. Alright. This blue